Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And OpenAI has dropped a bomb of a model that is an upgrade to GPT-5, that is GPT 5.2. Looking at the benchmarks, the model is looking good compared to GPT 5.1 thinking. Multiple variants have been released. As you can see, Notion Box, Shopify, Harvey, and Zoom Observe GPT 5.2 demonstrates SOTA long horizon reasoning model performance. As you can see, knowledge work task, the model given the benchmarks looks quite interesting, but there is a catch. As mentioned on social media, people are observing that the model is not that good, and just on the benchmarks it looks good. But our focus in this video is not on the model performance but on how to use it. For sure, I think compared to 5.1 it is looking better as given in their report, but I think on social media people are against it. In this short video I'm telling you how to use the model using codes. So first of all, if you can read here in our API platform, GPT 5.2 thinking is available today with these codes: GPT 5.2, GPT 5.2 chat latest, GPT 5.2 Pro. So these are the model codes. Now let me show you how to use the model using the API. So GPT 5.2, here you can see that this is the code I would be using. I ran it for 3 iterations, 3 prompts. So first of all, you need to set up your OpenAI API key that I've set up here, then client.chat.completion.create, and here I'm using the GPT 5.2 chat latest model. So as you guys saw, there were 3 versions. I'm using the GPT 5.2 chat latest, and the first one is how many hours in garlic. There is 1 hour in garlic. I think on social media there is a meme going on where the model is not able to recognize that. So that was the first question. Here I am using it as a system prompt. You can see that user and assistant role based modeling is happening. Role is system and role is user. The second is GPT 5.2 chat latest. Here you can see that tell me about your views on Mauritius. So first one was more of a tricky puzzle. The second one is a more general question, more on general knowledge. And third one is a Python code that I asked it to write and it is able to do that. So this is the code you can follow. Here you can see that the temperature is 1 here, quite easy to use. And the model is up now. GPT 5.2 is available. The early reviews are not that good on social media, but I think the benchmarks are saying something else. I think as time passes, we'll be knowing how good the model is. By then, try enjoying the model with the API key. It is not free to use. Do remember that. So you need to have an API key for this. Thank you so much.